Hi, I'm Tom Burklow, drinker, distiller, dreamer. Welcome to New Deal. Let's talk about Old Tom. Old Tom gin. What is it, you may ask? 20 botanicals, distilled, put into an Oregon Pinot Noir barrel, let it sit for 6 to 9 months. The result, delicious. We get barrel notes, we get fruit, we get sweetness, we get color, we get something that you can make into some nice classic cocktails like the Martinez. Why the cat? Back in the day, long before the dry gins, Old Tom gin was served out of pubs out of a cat sculpture on the outside. Someone would come up with their pennies, put a little penny through the slot, put their cup in there, and they just pour the Old Tom straight down the luge into their cup. And it was basically the vending machine of the time in the shape of a cat.
Old Tom?
Young Tom.